Hello, I'd like to open a bank account, please. I just moved here from the UK.
Welcome to First National Bank. I'm James, and I'd be happy to help you open an account today. Please have a seat.
Thank you. This is my first time opening an account in the US, so I'm not sure what I need.
No problem at all. I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. First, let me ask, what will you primarily use this account for? Personal expenses, savings, or business?
Primarily for personal expenses, paying rent, bills, daily purchases, that sort of thing.
I'll use this account for personal expenses. Repeat after me. I'll use this account for personal expenses.
Perfect. For personal banking, we offer several types of accounts. The most common is a checking account. That's for everyday transactions, like paying bills, using your debit card, and withdrawing cash.
A checking account for daily transactions. Repeat after me. A checking account for daily transactions.
Good. We also offer savings accounts, which are designed for setting money aside and earning interest. The interest rate is higher than checking accounts, but there are limits on withdrawals.
A savings account earns interest. Repeat after me. A savings account earns interest.
Excellent. Many customers open both, a checking account for daily use and a savings account for their emergency fund or future goals.
That sounds sensible. What's the difference in fees between them?
Great question. Our basic checking account has a $10 monthly maintenance fee, but we waive it if you maintain a minimum balance of $1,500 or set up direct deposit.
We waive the fee with direct deposit. Repeat after me. We waive the fee with direct deposit.
Perfect. Direct deposit means your employer deposits your paycheck directly into your account electronically. No paper checks needed.
Oh, I see. My employer does offer that. What about the savings account?
Our basic savings account has no monthly fee as long as you maintain a minimum balance of $300. You can make up to 6 withdrawals per month without penalty.
Minimum balance of $300. Repeat after me. Minimum balance of $300.
Great. Now, would you like to open just a checking account, just a savings account, or both?
I think I'll open both, checking for daily expenses and savings for emergencies.
Excellent choice. That's exactly what I recommend. Now, let me explain what documents you'll need to provide.
What documents do I need? Repeat after me. What documents do I need?
Perfect. To open an account, we require 2 forms of identification. First, a government-issued photo ID. That could be a passport, driver's license, or state ID card.
All right, Emma, while I'm processing your application, let me explain the features and services that come with your accounts.
Yes, please. I want to understand everything.
Perfect. With your checking account, you'll receive a debit card that you can use for purchases anywhere and to withdraw cash from ATMs.
A debit card for purchases and ATM withdrawals. Repeat after me. A debit card for purchases and ATM withdrawals.
Great. Your debit card will arrive by mail in 7 to 10 business days. Until then, I can give you a temporary card today for ATM use only.
Temporary card for ATM use. Repeat after me. Temporary card for ATM use.
Perfect. Now, you'll also get free online banking and mobile banking. You can check your balance, transfer money, pay bills, and deposit checks using your smartphone.
Free online and mobile banking. That's convenient.
Mobile banking is very convenient. Repeat after me. Mobile banking is very convenient. Absolutely. You can also set up automatic bill pay for recurring expenses like rent, utilities, and phone bills. The money is automatically transferred from your account on the date you choose.
Automatic bill pay sounds useful. How does that work exactly?
You log into online banking, add the company you want to pay, like your electric company, enter their account information, choose the amount and frequency. For example, you could set up $50 to be paid to your phone company on the 15th of every month automatically.
Set up automatic payments monthly. Repeat after me. Set up automatic payments monthly.
Perfect. This ensures you never miss a payment. You can modify or cancel automatic payments anytime.
What about ATM fees? Can I use any ATM?
Excellent question. You can use any ATM in our network. That's over 40,000 ATMs nationwide with no fees. If you use an out-of-network ATM, you'll pay a $3 fee per transaction.
No fees at in-network ATMs. Repeat after me. No fees at in-network ATMs.
Good. Our mobile app shows you the nearest in-network ATM wherever you are.
That's helpful. What about overdraft protection? I've heard that term but don't fully understand it.
Great question. Overdraft happens when you spend more money than you have in your account. For example, if you have $50 and try to spend $60, that's an overdraft of $10.
Overdraft means spending more than I have. Repeat after me. Overdraft means spending more than I have.
Exactly. We offer overdraft protection, which links your checking account to your savings account. If you overdraft, we automatically transfer money from savings to cover it for a $10 transfer fee.
Overdraft protection transfers from savings. Repeat after me. Overdraft protection transfers from savings.
Perfect. Without overdraft protection, the transaction would be declined and you'd pay a $35 insufficient funds fee. So overdraft protection saves you money.
Yes, I definitely like overdraft protection then.
Smart choice. I'll set that up. Now let's talk about your savings account. Your money earns 0.5% annual interest compounded monthly.
What does compounded monthly mean?
Good question. It means the bank calculates interest each month and adds it to your balance. Then next month, you earn interest on the original amount plus the interest.
All right, Emma, I have your account agreement here. Let me walk you through the important terms and conditions.
Yes, please explain. I want to understand what I'm signing.
Absolutely. First, this section explains your account numbers. Your checking account number is used for direct deposits and automatic payments. Keep this confidential.
Keep my account number confidential. Repeat after me. Keep my account number confidential.
Perfect. This section explains the monthly fees we discussed. $10 for checking, waived with $1,500 minimum balance or direct deposit. And the savings account requires $300 minimum balance.
I understand the fees and minimum balances.
Good. Here's the transaction limits section. You can make unlimited deposits and purchases with your debit card. However, savings account withdrawals are limited to 6 per month, as I mentioned.
6 withdrawals per month from savings. Repeat after me. 6 withdrawals per month from savings.
Exactly. If you exceed 6, there's a $10 fee per additional withdrawal. This is actually a federal regulation for all savings accounts.
I see. What happens if I need to close my account in the future?
Good question. You can close your account anytime with no penalty. Just visit a branch or call customer service. You'll receive your remaining balance by check within 10 business days.
Close account anytime with no penalty. Repeat after me. Close account anytime with no penalty.
Perfect. Now, this section covers your liability for unauthorized transactions. If your debit card is lost or stolen, report it immediately. If you report within 2 business days, your liability is limited to $50.
Report lost cards within 2 days. Repeat after me. Report lost cards within 2 days.
Exactly. If you wait longer, you could be liable for up to $500 or more, so always report immediately.
What's the bank's customer service number?
It's 1-800-555-0199, available 24/7. I'll give you a card with all important numbers. This is also printed on the back of your debit card.
Customer service available 24/7. Repeat after me. Customer service available 24/7.
Perfect.
Now please sign here, here, and initial here. These signatures authorize us to open your accounts and issue your debit card.
There you go. What happens next?
Great. Now I'll process your initial deposit. You said you have cash?
Yes, I have $300 in cash. I'd like to put $200 in checking and $100 in savings.
Perfect. Let me count that. $300 confirmed. I'm depositing $200 to checking and $100 to savings.
Initial deposit of $300. Repeat after me. Initial deposit of $300.
Excellent. Your accounts are now active. Here are your temporary checks. You can use these until your personalized checks arrive in about 2 weeks.
Temporary checks for 2 weeks. Repeat after me. Temporary checks for 2 weeks.
Good. And here's your temporary ATM card. Your permanent debit card with your name will arrive at your address within 7 to 10 business days.
When the debit card arrives, how do I activate it?
Excellent question. Call the number on the sticker attached to the card. It's an automated system. You'll need to enter your card number, social security number, and create a 4-digit PIN.
Create a 4-digit PIN. Repeat after me. Create a 4-digit PIN.
Perfect. Your PIN is... Congratulations, Emma. Your accounts are now fully set up and active. Before you go, let me give you some important tips for managing your accounts.
Yes, please. I want to manage my money wisely.
Perfect. First tip, check your account balance regularly, at least weekly. Use the mobile app to monitor your transactions and make sure everything looks correct.
Check my balance regularly. Repeat after me. Check my balance regularly.
Excellent. This helps you catch any unauthorized transactions or errors quickly. If you see something suspicious, call us immediately.
Report suspicious transactions immediately. Repeat after me. Report suspicious transactions immediately.
Perfect. Second tip, set up account alerts. You can receive text or email notifications when your balance is low, when large transactions occur, or when deposits are made.
Set up account alerts. Repeat after me. Set up account alerts.
Great. I recommend setting a low balance alert at $100 so you know when you need to transfer money or deposit more funds.
That's smart. What about keeping track of spending?
Excellent question. Third tip, keep all your receipts and check them against your monthly statement. We mail statements, or you can view them online.
Check receipts against statements. Repeat after me. Check receipts against statements.
Perfect. Your statement shows all transactions, fees, and interest earned. Review it carefully each month to spot any errors.
How long should I keep bank statements?
Keep them for at least 1 year, longer for tax-related transactions. You can download and save electronic statements if you prefer paperless banking.
Keep statements for 1 year. Repeat after me. Keep statements for 1 year.
Great. Fourth tip, never share your online banking password, PIN, or account information with anyone, not by phone, email, or text. We will never call and ask for this information.
Never share passwords or PINs. Repeat after me. Never share passwords or PINs.
Excellent. Beware of phishing scams, fake emails or text pretending to be from the bank. If you receive anything suspicious, call us using the number on your card, not the number in the message.
Beware of phishing scams. Repeat after me. Beware of phishing scams.
Perfect. Fifth tip, set up direct deposit with your employer as soon as possible. It's faster, safer than paper checks, and waives your monthly fee.
Set up direct deposit with employer. Repeat after me. Set up direct deposit with employer.
Great. I can give you a direct deposit form to take to your HR department. They'll need your routing number and account number, which are on your checks.
Routing number and account number. Repeat after me. Routing number and account number.
Excellent. The routing number identifies our bank. It's the same for all customers. Your account number is unique to you.
What about building savings? Any tips for that?
Great question. Sixth tip, set up automatic transfers from checking to savings right after you get paid. Even $50 per paycheck adds up quickly.
Automate savings transfers. Repeat after me. Automate savings transfers.
Perfect. Many people find paying yourself first is the best way to build savings. If the money automatically moves to savings, you won't spend it.
Pay yourself first. Repeat after me. Pay yourself first.
Exactly. Seventh tip, avoid unnecessary ATM fees by planning ahead. Withdraw larger amounts less frequently rather than small amounts often from out-of-network ATMs.
Plan ATM withdrawals ahead. Repeat after me. Plan ATM withdrawals ahead.
Good. And remember, you can get cash back at grocery stores and pharmacies when you use your debit card. No ATM fee.
Get cash back at stores. Repeat after me. Get cash back at stores.
Perfect. Eighth tip, balance your checkbook regularly if you write checks. Record every check you write, every debit card purchase, and every ATM withdrawal.
Balance my checkbook regularly. Repeat after me. Balance my checkbook regularly.
Great. This prevents overdrafts and helps you stay on budget. Many people use the mobile app to track transactions instead of a paper checkbook register.
I'll definitely use the app.
Smart choice. Ninth tip, if you're traveling abroad, notify the bank before you go. Otherwise, we might freeze your card thinking it's been stolen when we see foreign transactions.
Notify bank before traveling abroad. Repeat after me. Notify bank before traveling abroad.
Perfect. You can set a travel notice through the mobile app or by calling customer service. Just tell us the dates and countries you'll visit.
That's good to know. I plan to visit the UK soon.
Great. We'll make a note of that. Finally, 10th tip, build an emergency fund in your savings account. Financial experts recommend 3 to 6 months of living expenses.
Build an emergency fund. Repeat after me. Build an emergency fund.
Excellent. This protects you if you lose your job, have medical expenses, or face unexpected costs. Start with $1,000 as your first goal.
Start with $1,000 emergency fund. Repeat after me. Start with $1,000 emergency fund.
Perfect. Do you have any other questions about